Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2024 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life after an oil change. First thing we're going to do, start the car. Going to let all the fault messages clear up. So on the older models, you were able to reset it over here. On this one, we're going to do it on the cluster itself. We're going to use this dial thing over here. It goes up, down, and enter. So first thing we're going to do, press enter, clear all the messages. Then we're gonna scroll down. Maintenance just shows how much oil life is left. We're gonna scroll further down. Settings, press enter. Down till you get to maintenance reset. Press one more time. All due items. And the lights reset. It said reset complete. You should not have any more lights. You can go back, go to the menu you want to go to, and that's it. So very simple procedure. No special tools are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.